Hey, welcome to Art2, a channel for those who want to sell their art online. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to earn money by selling stickers on Etsy. Stickers are an enjoyable and uncomplicated way to add a personal touch to anything. They are also an excellent choice for anyone who wants to launch their own modest enterprise on Etsy. When it comes to selling stickers on Etsy, the design is the single most important factor to consider. You're going to need to employ your imagination in order to think of something that is not just interesting, but also original. This indicates that the sticker business presents a wealth of options for you to become a seller in the industry. To generate money off the stickers, all you need to do is come up with designs, figure out how to create them, and then sell them. Consequently, if you're interested in generating additional sources of income and would like to learn the skills of selling stickers on Etsy, then this video is ideal for you. I'll explain to you how to open a sticker business on Etsy, what kind of stickers you have available to choose from, and a lot more. If you're looking to start selling stickers on Etsy, it's the greatest platform to do so. Not only is it easy to set up a shop on Etsy, but there's also a large audience of potential customers who are already familiar with the site. I know a couple people that have made a lot of money selling stickers on Etsy and that have found that it's one of the best platforms to get traffic to their designs. Stickers are popular items on Etsy, with people searching for unique and funny designs to customize their possessions. As usual, this year is not different than any other year. The trend for stickers has continued, with more people looking for interesting designs to add to their collections. The variety of stickers available on Etsy is vast, and there's sure to be something to suit everyone's taste. Whether you're looking for something cute and quirky or cool and trendy, there's an Etsy sticker for you. To put it in another way, you can make a living off Etsy by selling stickers and potentially earn thousands of dollars by doing so. It's important to keep in mind, however, that in order to achieve the results you seek from your side hustle, you need to invest both time and effort into the endeavor. If you're looking to make a profit by selling stickers on Etsy, it's important to know how much it will cost you to produce them. The cost of making stickers will vary depending on the size and complexity of the design, as well as the quantity you plan to produce. However, you can expect to spend anywhere from a few dollars to several $100s on materials and production. To be profitable, you'll need to sell your stickers for more than it costs you to make them. With a little research and planning, you can create beautiful stickers that people will love and make money doing it. I've used Printify to make stickers for my Etsy shop, and they offer great prices and reasonable shipping. I like using them because I can print one-off copies of the sticker and don't have to hold any inventory. Plus, they connect to my Etsy shop, which makes it super easy to create a design, upload it to Printify, and then the sticker is added to my items listed to sell on Etsy in seconds with that connection. When I get an order, it goes directly to Printify, and Printify takes care of all the back-end work for the fulfillment aspect of my business. There is a link to Printify in the description box below. It's free to try. There is no cost to join Printify and use their service. But if you do want to get lower wholesale prices, then you can join the premium membership, which will give you discounts on the products that you purchase through Printify, which could increase your profit margin. Etsy is a great platform for selling handmade goods, vintage items, and craft supplies. However, there are some costs associated with selling on Etsy that you should be aware of before you start listing your items. For starters, Etsy charges a listing fee per item, so if you're planning on selling items, there is a listing fee right off the bat. In addition to the listing fee, Etsy also charges a transaction fee on each sale. Of course, the biggest cost of selling on Etsy is the time and effort that you put into creating and marketing your products. If you'd like to print your own stickers, you'll need proper equipment. I recommend you purchase a quality printer and ink cartridges. You'll also need to purchase sticker paper, and if you need to cut to shape the stickers, you'll need to get a machine like a Cricut, which has software that will allow you to cut around the edges of your design, and that you can also maximize the number of stickers you get out of a sticker sheet by adding multiples of that one sticker on the sheet and having the Cricut cut around those designs and getting as many stickers as you can out of a sticker sheet. All the equipment you need to print stickers on your own is listed in the description box below. Customers who buy from you repeatedly and customers who are dedicated to your brand are essentially the success of any company, your company. You'll almost certainly want to make the most out of these opportunities. So including a business card with your shipment featuring a promotional code is a good approach to accomplishing this as part of your sales goals. You might print any kind of marketing material to put in your shipment, such as a postcard or flyer advertising your most recent products. For example, you can print a flyer with your company's logo on it and some descriptions of things that you sell through your Etsy shop. This is a great way to market to your customers because you are shipping them the item. They're going to get the item in the mail. Including a business card with your shipment that features a promotional code is a good approach to accomplishing this goal. You might print any kind of marketing material to put in with your shipment, such as a postcard or a flyer advertising your most recent products. For example, you could print a flyer with your company logo thanking the customer for their purchase, and also letting them know what other items you might be selling through Etsy or any additional online shops that you might have. You can even direct customers to your own online shop through the mailer that you're sending to the customer, because once you've acquired that customer from Etsy, it's not against their rules and terms of condition if you promote an outside website in your shipping package. You just can't do it on the site, but you can certainly let people know that you have another shop listed in the package once you ship that out to the customer. So in addition to that, you have an option of including a couple of complimentary additional stickers with each of your orders. People are always excited to receive anything for free, and this is an excellent method to ensure that they'll remember you and come back to your shop. You can make a respectable amount of money through the sale of stickers on Etsy when each item costs only a few dollars. The profit margins aren't nearly as large as they could be. So creating a listing for sticker packs is the most effective approach to avoid this situation. You can increase the likelihood the buyers will buy multiple pieces of your stickers by packaging them in bundles and themes and selling them. For instance, you may offer a pack of 5 or 10 of the item at a price that is lower than the price which you would have sold an individual sticker to the buyer for. It's important to bear in mind that original sticker design and an inviting storefront are the essential stages in the process of getting orders. Regardless of whether you produce the stickers yourself or outsource some of the labor, you may start a tiny sticker business, establish yourself as a business owner, and generate money selling stickers. Despite the fact that you won't be a millionaire overnight, it is a really cool business to be in, and I enjoy making stickers and knowing that people are putting them on all sorts of different items. So if you enjoyed today's video and have not already subscribed, do it now so you know when the next video is uploaded. And if you give this video a like, it's always appreciated. Keep working on your print-on-demand designs, and we'll see you guys in the next one.